Hi, Anthony Topping from Frame It All. I'm here today to show you how to build a water garden using a lot less rock with a lot less digging, reducing your heavy work. You can go to our website and go to our 3D app and you can design your own pond and water stream over there, make it much easier to know what you need to build it. We're also going to create a pond edge using Frame It All, using our brackets with our timbers, and the timber edge just goes into the bracket, snaps together easily, and we can do different shapes and sizes and curves with our system. What I'm also going to show you is how we're not so reliant on rock to form our pond edge now, that we could bring the plants close to our edge and have a more natural look to our water garden. So here we go, we're going to build this and have a little fun. Now that we have our pond frame laid out, we want to level side by side. And if we don't do that, then what's going to happen is we're going to have an uneven pond, which the water will naturally, of course, go down to the lower side and cause leakage. I'm going to go around. We're in fairly level ground. We need to raise up a little bit on this side. Put some stones underneath here. I try to use thin stone. You could use soil, but something that is, I think stone works best when you're trying to level out the frame. So we've dug our hole. We measured down, dug about 12 inches down here. I left some shelves around the perimeter to have plants sit on it. And what we did with the soil in here, we put the soil within our waterfall frame to support the stone that we're going to build on here. And on the exterior, we put the soil far enough away so when we put the liner in, we can tuck the liner in against the frame and then put our soil up against it, then we're going to taper away. So I'm going to have a couple of these young, strong gentlemen bring the liner and let's line this sucker. So we have our liner in place. We'll do a little bit more tucking around the exterior. We put some rocks in to kind of hold the liner down in places. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to bring the soil up against our edge, and we're also going to start to rock out our waterfall. And then we'll start planting. Right now we're just finishing up putting some more soil around our waterfall, and I have Brent and Marquise placing some stones on some areas. So this area over here where you see where the edge is coming in is going to be our area that we can approach the water easier than some of the other areas that are going to have plant material. So we'll build a little patio over here, and so we'll do that with our rocks, and then we're going to start to now lay out some plant material around. So we finished our Frame It All pond in just under 6 hours with 3 people, and it just came out beautiful. We built a waterfall. We have approximately a 10-foot wide pond. We went down 12 inches into the soil and we went above grade 12 inches. We were able to utilize plants up along the edge. which allowed us to really naturalize our garden. And that's what really makes Frame It All and using the framing system special, is you can get a much more naturalized look because you can get those plants way up close to your pond edge. So I hope you liked our project, and we're going to do a few more of these for you so you can see how you can use Frame It All in some other different ways for water gardening. Thank you.